big dog right there, and one big dog right there.
Wow, that's so good. What's happening here?
That dog's on the bear tree, and the bear dog on the tree, green dog on a yellow tree.
Green dog on the yellow tree. So good, you're reading it. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. How many cars are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Maybe we should work a little on our counting, Princeton. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's good. That's Yale
What
counting.
that dog is so broken.
So you're officially overqualified for Princeton, but now you're all set for Yale. For the record, there were 6 cars.
That big dog's going up, and one big dog going down, down, down.
What color are these 2 dogs?
Up, 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 up.
And what's this dog?
Going
Down, 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 down. The green dog is up.
The green dog's on his belly, and the yellow dog's down.
What's going on here? Where's the blue dog?
That big dog's in the yellow house.
That's so good.
Up, a dog up, a house, and one door right there on the steps.
That's right, a dog on top of the house, and there's a door with steps. That's right. What's going on in here?
That dog's in the woods, and that dog, some big dogs in the water.
How many big dogs are in the water?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11 is the new 3 at Princeton.
A green dog over the tree and a yellow dog going down, down, down.
2 dogs in a house, on a boat, in the water. A dog,
Over water.
a dog.
Under the water.
Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat?
Yes, I do.
The dog says, I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. The dogs are all going around and around and
I
around.
want the dog
You
party.
want to go to the dog party? Okay, let's skip a few pages. It's good. This is
I
boring.
want to go to the dog party.
Let's go to the dog party. I bet the dog party's going to be fun.
And the white,
What's going on here? What color is the light?
green,
What does green mean?
go. Go, dog, go.
Go dogs, go! But uh-oh, Jamesy, what color's the light on the next page?
Red,
What does red mean?
car.
Stop, dog, stop! Let's go to the dog party. Where's the dog party? Is that the end? Okay.